Hey there and welcome back. In this lecture we're going to share a really cool trick, okay? A really cool color grading trick. We're going to learn how to get thousands of color grading presets in Photoshop, basically embedded here in Photoshop, but are kind of hidden, okay? So we're going to unlock them with a simple trick. So go ahead and open your folder. And I want to bring in my image, okay? That's the image we've been working on. Okay, we see that it didn't come in because we have the file open. Remember, we worked on it from the last video, right? So what I'll just do is I'll save this file. I'll save it as color grading style. Perfect. So I'm saving it in the folder so you have access to this one we worked on. So I'll just close this now and go ahead and open my folder and bring in the image. Okay, perfect. Now this is the image we've been working on, and we are going to unlock presets, color grading presets, thousands of presets for this image. The first thing you have to do is just come here and click gradient map. So come here and click gradient map and create a gradient map. So it doesn't really matter the colors you have here, okay? It works basically with any color. So the first thing you have to do is select your gradient map and let's do a basic blending. Okay, so let's do a blending. Let's use soft light. So let's use soft light on our gradient map, and while selecting our gradient map, go ahead and click here to bring up the gradient editor. Perfect. Now what you need to do is just come to type, click and select noise. So you see that we have a lot of noise, right? So we have to reduce our noise, we have to reduce our roughness. So come here and click and drag your roughness. Let's see, drag this to 7. Now the next thing you do is just come here and click on restrict colors to remove the restriction on colors, and now just start to click randomize. To as you keep clicking randomize, you keep getting different presets, different color grading presets, okay? Different looks, basically different looks, incredible looks, thousands and thousands of looks, okay? So you can just keep clicking, and whenever you reach to the one you're okay with, you can just click OK and then go ahead and reduce the opacity, okay? So just click and reduce the opacity, and basically you have a new color grading look. Very simple, just as simple as this. So we went from this to this, and we can keep doing this and keep having lots and lots of color grading options. One more thing you can do is just go into your blending options and go to blend if on your gradient map layer. So go to blend if and try to blend this with the image, okay? So we are going to remove some of the colors from our highlights and also our shadows. So I'm just holding Alt and clicking to separate these sliders here, doing same for here, so that we have a perfect blend. Okay, so this is what we have now. Hit OK. Now you can reduce the opacity further if you want, or increase it further if you want. Basically depends on what you want to achieve. So this is what we had before, this is what we have now. And you know what, we can keep doing this for different images, and we can keep having even multiple color grading presets for this image. Okay, so I'm just going to create another one, select my image, just go ahead and add a gradient map. So make my blending mode to soft light, and then click here, noise, opacity, or rather roughness should be 7 or 8%. So 7%, and restrict colors should be off, and then just keep going. Okay, just keep going. And in fact, I think what we should do is we should set our opacity right before we start, so that we get to see the final look we get after removing our opacity or after reducing our opacity. Now let's go and keep clicking randomize to keep seeing presets, right? Perfect. So randomize, 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 and we can keep going, we can keep going. Let's try choosing something else. So let's choose this. So we have this black and white preset now. Of course we can do same by clicking noise and reducing our roughness. So let's see 8% and keep clicking randomize. So you can see that we can actually select different gradient presets. That's why I said we can generate thousands and thousands of color gradient presets automatically with this trick. Incredible trick. Perfect. So I'll just go for this look this time, hit OK. So we had this the first time, now we have this the second time. Okay, so if we want, we can increase our opacity, and we can even do the blend if thing, right? So blend, alt and click, perfect. And you know what, we can even blend the both of them. That's how crazy we can go. Okay, we can blend the both of them, we can have the both of them on top of each other, and even further reduce their opacities to make the blending even more incredible. Perfect. So you see, this is what we had, this is what we now have. So I'm just going to go ahead and save our image, Ctrl S, and let's see color grading presets. Let's just add auto to the name, automatic color grading preset. So auto color grading presets, hit save. Perfect. So this is what we had once again, and this is what we now have. Perfect. So that's it for this little trick, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.